The Dolphin LIBERTY 400 Robotic Pool Cleaner is a powerful cordless cleaner that delivers effortless floor, wall, and waterline cleaning. With smart navigation and advanced scrubbing, it keeps your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Dolphin LIBERTY 400 Robotic Pool Cleaner, Maytronics Dolphin Clicker,
Power supply
cartridge filters,
and user manual.
how to use. Charge the Dolphin LIBERTY 400 using the magnetic charging cable until the battery is fully charged. Turn the cleaner on, gently place it into the pool, and let it automatically clean the floor, walls, and waterline. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, use the click-up retrieval hook to bring the cleaner to the surface, remove it from the pool, and rinse the filter basket to keep it ready for the next use. Maintenance. Open the filter cover and lift out the filter basket using the raised handle. Release the bottom latch to empty the collected debris, then rinse the filters thoroughly inside and out with a hose. Separate the two filter panels using your thumbs, clean them with water, and reassemble them before placing the clean filter basket back and closing the filter cover. For impeller maintenance, connect the charger to the robot, open the lid, remove the filter basket, unscrew and remove the cover, insert the impeller safety tool, remove the exhaust manifold, and if necessary, remove the impeller screw to carefully lift out the impeller and clean away any trapped debris before reassembling all components. Features and indications.
Smart features?
The cordless, rechargeable battery design eliminates tangled cables, giving the cleaner complete freedom to move around the pool. It delivers reliable cleaning performance while making setup, operation, and storage quick and hassle-free. Cleans the pool floor, climbs walls, and scrubs the waterline to remove dirt, algae, and debris. It provides thorough, full-coverage cleaning for a consistently sparkling pool. Advanced Clever Clean navigation intelligently scans your pool and follows an optimized cleaning path for maximum coverage. It minimizes missed spots and ensures efficient, thorough cleaning in every cycle. The powerful active brush rotates continuously to loosen stubborn dirt, algae, and debris from pool surfaces. It delivers a deeper, more effective clean than suction alone for spotless results. The click-up, easy retrieval feature brings the cleaner to the pool edge for quick and effortless removal. It saves time and eliminates the need to reach into the water after each cleaning cycle. The magnetic inductive charging system provides a secure, cable-free connection for safe and effortless recharging. Simply snap the charger into place and power up the cleaner with minimal effort.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dolphin Liberty 400 Robotic Pool Cleaner. See you at the next one.